Solar power system. Energy from the sun's solar power system is the process of using the light from sun and turning it into an energy source. It has become a reliable alternative to regular power sources in remote areas. It has even been used in outer space. Solar power system is used in homes, lighting, architectural projects, and cooking. It has become even more popular as the cost of fossil fuel continues to rise. Solar panels are designed to collect the power from the sun. Once solar energy is collected by the solar panels, it has to be converted into energy. This can be done by a process called solar thermal application. It involves using the energy from the sun to directly heat air or liquids. The process of photoelectric application involves the use of photovoltaic cells to change the energy into electricity. Solar power poses no harm to the environment. However, other threats to the environment may affect the ability to use solar power system in the future. Global dimming is the result of pollution. It allows less sunlight to reach the surface of the Earth. A recent concern is global dimming, an effect of pollution that is allowing less sunlight to reach the Earth's surface. Global dimming is caused by pollution particles and global warming. The Solar Electric Power Association is an organization of electric utility companies and the solar industry. They join together to find solutions to meet our energy needs. SEPA is a network of more than 100 companies. 50 are utility companies, 25 are solar companies, and the rest are various types of businesses. They share experiences, knowledge, and information about solar programs. They also discuss policies and technology relating to their field. Is solar energy right for you? There are advantages to using this as a safe alternative to fossil fuel. Solar energy is free. It can be used in areas where electricity can't be set up easily. The sun is not a resource that is going to be depleted. Disadvantages are that it doesn't work at night. The cost of creating solar power stations to store such energy is very expensive. In some area of the world, solar energy just isn't an option because the climate does not receive enough sunlight.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.